Igbo ndị mana ege m tekene kwa mụ na asị m nke onye isi nya jere n'ụbọchị nketa bike bi nọ na-enene m asị m ihe ọma meelu nwoke ihe ọma meelu nwaanyị biko n'ụbọchị nketa ta sị na Udele apụtago and there is this thing ọ na nene trend na asị atọbụ ụtọ si wepụ aghụghọ I've not been around since but asị m ka m batago na m emerele video about this thing onwe ihe video ezugu post unu na-afịa n'akụkụ ebe I will leave you guys to watch it. But we are buying and they buy. Okay, there's this attribute in the life of any Igbo person. Man neku maniku na nkene metitam. When was in video, when was in my video, only for Ijele, but people don't know the reason why I did what I did. One guy be go be asking gini basali Ijele ni ha, gini. Man ha no go mu news ina no be. A lot of you ne follow Ijele amaro ni Ijele ya pata. A lot of you amaro ni Ijele ya pata. Afọzim ka JPAC ha mecha video ma go kpalecha ya mgba ma mgbe les isom we mgbe jinja Ijele isom we me Ijele ya kaja because why I am not mocking him in order to castigate him, but only one video Ijele me you well you can't just sit down and wish na somebody yahu okuli ya ho ha which I posted it o say no kam maka mazin na de kanon nwa nanga. That was what triggered me. I've never for one day wished Ijele on manage our mail content normally, like other people did. Not that we mocked him, but we mocked him towards correction with love. I challenged Ijele with love, in order for him to know that he trespassed so much. He trespassed too much. Manande mada patago kitok inemende by hey chief winner the sense of Ijele. They are now killing him back again. This is people that have never posted Ijele since for the past 8 months. For the past 9 months, 10 months, they have never posted or talk about him. They don't even know where he is. Hamare Bono. This is people, they are now mocking and saying people, hey, Ijele apatago gini eme, Ijele apatago gini eme, Ijele nye. People like JPAC apatago, they post, hey, Ijele apatago, it is now time for him to go and mock one new Nene ndị mmadụ nene ha. But that's by the way. Ijele, you are back. Mana, you are back. Ijego ase onye jeli ofona anya. Ijego jefu kodi. Obu na ebe ije de mma. It's now time for you to make a return. Mana enwe one comment on for one na wall JPAC. The guy somebody where there sina. No lochago luizi ya lowo. No, it is now time for them to let him go, because we are saying allegedly now the comment section. Hana say 3 people also opposed to game, and I don't want to screenshot it because it's none of my problem. Hana say na no week obulu ni Ijele. So now those marks that testified against Mazem Nandekano. That now as long as na have gone case Mazem Nandekano wago and the job has been done, it is now time for them to let him go. According to Ndemado, allegedly, in the comment section of JPAC, go there, you will see it. So, Bikono, the Neziano Kono no, Ehezu Goku.
Ndo tu Matthias, Nande, Omena Nabuzo, Kwasi no nwa, so Nandem follow kwa Charlie, nya, Ikulibo ha kare la kare. Agwe mampoku, no fake ha, Upro Max, kana web. Imagine these guys shamelessly coming on Facebook to tell us, Ijele apatago, how far? Ezugo, how far Ijele apatago? Have you seen how shameless for the Nimo Nado? Ijele on a detention 1 year. Where pota? You people forgot about him, but you are busy coming to us to tell us, Ogechi that has not even stayed in detention for over 2 months. You are coming to tell us, Ogechi, detention, wewulu, sleepless night to you all. What I go? Ogechi na atadia. One thing unu prove goal is that you people love Ogechi more than Ijele, and I hope Ijele can see it. I hope Ijele can see. I still have a message for Ijele today. You hear notice na a kind of Facebook for a while now. You want to go attending to one or two things. But Ijele coming out will bring me back to Facebook again today. I have a message for him, and I hope I hope this time around he will use his sense and throw away emotion. You understand? So many of you people denied him, just like somebody denied in a program the other day. Some of you denied him that he was not your friend. No, boy. Therefore, anything about him. Most of you denied him. You people stop talking about him. We were only reminding you people that Ijele Kanoko in detention. Some of you went months without even talking about Ijele again. You forgot him. How I wish Ijele enjoy as much support as Etu Ogechi Sia enjoy. Ijele the kind of fan base Ogechi Nwelu. Ijele the kind of supporters Ogechi Nwelu. Ijele some kind of a little kind of loyal to Ogechi. The way Ogechi Sia enjoy it, because they can feel the heat. They can tell you that the tension is building. They can tell you that they cannot go too far from where they are today. We know. I want to know what is happening. Despite it doesn't deter somebody like me. So now, I wish Ijele the kind of imagine Deji Adebanjo onye Yoruba and the Showore onye Yoruba. Imagine what could have been the fate of Ijele. All of you people who claim to be his colleagues, Igbos, his sympathizers, all of you forget about him. You forgot about him and you left him at the mercy of Nde Yoruba. Nde Neji conditions like this to shine as human rights activists, right? Right? They are also focusing on their career. Because what they are using all this for is to build their mileage for so many reasons that we know. So the fact is that they were there, but all of you ran away. And the Foduni Munu shamelessly today is coming back. Are coming back rather to come and tell me Ezugo, even Gulu, Ilekwana Nifele Gole Mish. And Nwokelu to the point, Ebole Goli Fele Gole Mish. Nwokelu to that point where you will now say you cannot shame the shameless. Emana Otilo. What it means is that it is finished. Ijele, sure, allow them to use you once again. They used you and they abandoned you. You are only but a pencil in their hands. You are only but a tool in their hands to be used. So they are patiently waiting for you to know the shot you are going to strike again. 1 year or even on detention. I don't know how I can measure 1 year with barely 2 months or so Ogechi no go na detention. There is still a long way to go. Now, they prove that they love Ogechi more than you. They prove that Ogechi do more important, that Ogechi is a more better personality, because they never wished Ogechi to go through what you passed through. Imagine. That is what I can pick from it. They knew the condition of being in prison. They forgot that you once spent a lot of your years outside Nigeria before you better than Nigeria. They forgot about that. They were thinking out for Ogechi and not you. Even while you were in detention, they forgot about you. And they were clamoring and looking for a way for Ogechi to come out. That is how the people you call your own, that is how much they forgot about you. They know the condition of Nigerian prisons. They know it is not favorable for somebody to even spend a night or 2 nights there. They know every condition. They know that Ogechi will family that she will go back to. They know that Ogechi will career and job she should go back to. They knew of the bills Ogechi Naku. All these things, they knew that Ogechi will husband. But to you, they never considered anything. They felt it is okay for you to stay and languish in prison. Have you seen? I want you to put 1 or 2 together. Then you will know they're gonna have it. We strike some of them. And they denied you openly. Ijele is a saboteur to Igbo. Ijele is there because Nandi Igbo are like it. And that shows you why it has to be Yorubas that were always there. Yes, your social media page became dormant. Yes, it became dormant. Ogechi's page is still very active and running. People still talk about Ogechi. I will even be the last person that is going to stop supporting Ogechi. It's not going to happen tomorrow. Take that word from me. You want to go? So, I am coming back on a live broadcast. I have a message for Ijele and Dinde Otu Ifelemesh. No direction at all. For people like us, not to calculate even way direction. You people should leave this thing for us now. I am coming back. I am coming back. You want to go? So once more, welcome back, Ijele, and sin no more. I am coming back because I have a message for you, and I have a message for Umokoko. They all ran away all this while. None of them go to their pages. Check for the past 7, 8, 9 months. How many of them within that 1 week, Hachena, you prove Ruhane was champion that nobody can hold you down. Just in fact, within that 1 week, Hachena, even in you could not make his way. They all abandoned you to your fate. Barely 24 hours. They were all in fact, they may be doing it because they want Ogechi to apologize. But what I'm saying is that they have proven to have loved Ogechi more than you, to have hated you more than ever. That you are not even significant to them, that they can go months without talking about. Imagine me going a whole 1 week or 2 weeks without talking about Ogechi many times. Hey, anyway, let me leave it here. They don't even know when to enjoy silence and when to look for words. When I have given them silence so that they can swallow that silence, they can use it to massage their ego. They are still pushing Ezugo say something. But you know that my silence as well as my words now harm too so much. What if I have given you 2 of them? I've given you silence at first, and I've given you my words. And then throw you to Akishe on other Kubuni Gwena Kampon. This is a message from Ezugo this morning. Let me on my AC because I want my AC because now Obidos didn't make video there, and I don't know it's wee. A Kamataya Sebos na prison fella pota. Mo, you gotta go. Mo, Odoko Lapita, Malo, Mathematico na Abuja. Share this video. We are coming back to talk to our brother Ijele, and also to talk to Nde Umu Ikwi Nefegare, Umu Ebeke. Dalon.